Picture this scenario. You're in a Spanish-speaking country, the sun is shining, the aroma of local cuisine wafts through the air, and the vibrant culture surrounds you. But there's just one problem. You don't speak Spanish. How amazing would it be to order that mouth-watering dish, ask for directions to the city's hidden gems, and strike up a conversation with the locals, all in their native tongue? Imagine the freedom, the confidence, the sheer joy of not just visiting but truly experiencing a Spanish-speaking country. It's all about savoring the culture, the people, the food and the lifestyle without the barrier of language standing in your way. But you might be thinking, I don't know a word of Spanish. You're not alone. Countless individuals across the globe share this very sentiment. But here's the good news. There's absolutely no need to worry. We've got you covered with our top-notch Spanish courses. Our Spanish courses promise not just learning, but a fun, engaging journey towards fluency. We'll guide you step by step from the basics of vocabulary and grammar to the finesse of advanced conversation skills. And the best part, you'll do it all without the monotony of textbooks or lectures. Our courses are tailored for you to not only learn Spanish, but to love the process of learning. You'll start speaking Spanish, understanding the nuances, and before you know it, you'll be conversing like a native. So why wait another moment? Embrace the opportunity to learn Spanish today. Unlock a world of experiences, friendships and adventures that await you in Spanish-speaking countries. Remember, language is not a barrier, it's a bridge, and you're just one step away from crossing that bridge. Sign up for our Spanish courses now, and soon you'll be speaking Spanish like you've done it all your life.